Hello students, here is our next activity of computer. But before we start anything, I'd like to tell you some important things. First of all, many of you must be already knowing the difference between Windows 7 and Windows 10. Some of you may already be using Windows 10, some of you may be using Windows XP, some of you may also be using Windows Vista or whatever. So let me tell you that on my computer I am using Windows 10. So as per your textbook, you may not have the same things as mentioned over here. But anyway, I will try to explain it as much as possible. First of all, we have activity 1 and activity 2, and I'm going to teach you both these in this one video itself. Now in activity 1, what we have to do is double click on the computer icon on the desktop. It will display the drives and folders. My computer is over here. Now as I already told you, since this is Windows 10, it will show this PC. On other computers it will be showing computer or my computer. So double click on this. You can see the drives. Now you can see it is mentioned C over here, D over here. So these are known as drives and these are known as folders. Now this may look different in different computers. You need not worry because it is one and the same thing. Double click on D drive. It will display all the files and folders stored in it. Now create a new folder in it. Now how to create a new folder? You can see all these empty spaces over here. Just right click anywhere and you will get this dialog box over here. Go to new and folder, and what we have to do is rename it with the name my activity. How do you rename? Again right click on this and rename my activity and then press enter or click anywhere. Create a file in MS Word and save it in the my activity folder. I already told you how to open MS Word. Go to start menu and programs. Now over here, since I'm using Windows 10, it looks like this, but it will be the same for Windows 7 as well. Microsoft Office and Microsoft Office Word 2007. Now what we have to do is create a file in MS Word. Create a file that does not mean just open and leave it. For example, I will just type over here activity session Father Agnello English School and save it. I already told you how to save a file. Click on this and save, or use this button over here, or you can also use a keyboard shortcut. Save, and where we have to save it, in the my activity folder. Now how will you get my activity folder? Let me show you over here. You have to look out for the drive or folder wherever you saved it. Now if you remember, the drive where I saved it was SanDisk, that is the pen drive. I'll click on it and here I will get the folders. So I have to double click on my activity and you can see the name is already there over here. Just click on save. Now we will close it. Next, right click on the my activity folder and select send to option from the shortcut menu. Now select desktop create shortcut option, my activity and send to, and then go to desktop create shortcut. Now when you close this, you will see here my activity shortcut is already created. Next, we will move on to activity 2. Right click on the desktop and click on personalize option. First of all, you should know what is desktop. The main screen over here, this is known as the desktop. Right click on any empty space and personalize. Once again, let me remind you, since this is Windows 10, it will look different for your computer or it may look the same. But I will show you the settings for Windows 10 that is mentioned in your textbook. Now when you do this personalize thing, what will open in Windows 7 is something like this. You can select whichever photo you want. You can see this one small box over here. This is known as a tick box. You can tick whichever photos you want as wallpapers and then click on save changes. So your desktop background will be changed. As you can see, this is the image over here. This is my desktop background. In the same way, you can use any photo that you want. As you can see, this last step over here, select any background of your choice and click on save changes button. If you see on my computer, it does not have any option of save changes, because the moment you click on any photo, it will automatically get selected. So we have come to the end of this activity. Students, let me remind you once again, as I told you earlier, I am using Windows 10. Some of you may be using Windows XP, some of you may be using Windows 7, Windows Vista or whatever. But don't worry about all these steps, it will remain the same for all the computers. The only difference is how it looks and what are the names. For example, some computers may have in place of my computer this PC, or maybe even computer, or maybe my computer, but it is one and the same thing. Thank you, students.